OfferUp is a mobile marketplace application that allows users to buy and sell new and used items locally. It's similar to other platforms like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and Letgo. In 2024, you can still make money online using OfferUp by following these steps. 1. Download the OfferUp app. First, you need to download the OfferUp app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account by providing your name, email, and a password. 2. Set up your profile. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture, a brief description about yourself, and your location. This helps build trust with potential buyers. 3. Choose items to sell. Decide what items you want to sell on OfferUp. It could be anything from clothes, electronics, furniture, or even household items. Make sure you have a good understanding of the value of the items you plan to sell. 4. Take quality photos. Take clear, well-lit photos of the items you want to sell from different angles. High-quality photos help attract potential buyers and showcase your items accurately. 5. Write a detailed description. Write a clear and concise description of the item, including its condition, any features, and any relevant specifications. Be honest about any flaws or damage to the item. 6. Set a competitive price. Research the market to find out the fair price for your items. You can use websites like Google Shopping or eBay to compare prices. Set a price that is competitive and attractive to potential buyers. 7. List your items. List your items on OfferUp by selecting the category they belong to, adding your photos, and writing the description. Make sure to choose the right category for your items to reach the right audience. 8. Communicate with buyers. Respond to messages from potential buyers promptly and professionally. Answer any questions they might have about the item and arrange a meeting to complete the transaction. 9. Meet safely. When meeting with buyers, always prioritize safety. Choose a public and well-lit location, preferably during daylight hours. Bring a friend or family member with you if possible. 10. Complete the transaction. After confirming the buyer's satisfaction with the item, accept payment. OfferUp allows you to use their built-in payment system, which provides protection for both buyers and sellers. Alternatively, you can choose to accept cash or other payment methods. 11. Ship the item. Optional. If you're selling items that require shipping, package them securely and choose a reliable shipping method. Provide tracking information to the buyer and ensure they receive their item in good condition. 12. Maintain good ratings. Provide excellent customer service and maintain good ratings on OfferUp. This will help you build a positive reputation and attract more potential buyers. 13. Expand your offerings. As you gain experience and confidence, consider expanding your offerings to increase your chances of making more money. You can also explore other online marketplaces to reach a wider audience. Remember, the key to making money on OfferUp or any other online marketplace is to provide excellent customer service, be honest and transparent, and maintain a good reputation.